But now it's time to train. Let's say you assess the patient and you now want to start a training program or protocol with them. Click on training. Let's do K grip strength. And this is where things get pretty fun. There's several different games. You could do also exercises for reps count, isometric, or tempo. Let's play a game. Let's do this catching game. And so I click on this game. I set my parameters. So we want to go to, let's say, 50% of grip strength on each side. And what you can see here is this says 14 kilograms, this is 8.6. These values were based on my previous grip. And so now, based on that data that you just assessed, the data that you just got for this patient, you can choose how much effort you want them to go through based on their current data through the exercises. It's a phenomenal skill. Now, let's say we only want to do right side because that's the impaired side. We could do that, or the same with left. We can switch and choose only left, but we'll do both sides. We'll hit start. And this is where it gets fun. You basically squeeze. The more you squeeze, the higher it goes. And you just have to catch all these different vegetables and fruits and be able in the moment to squeeze, adjust. Squeeze too hard, you miss it. You don't squeeze enough, you miss it. And you have to be able to find that proper position. Patients love this. It makes everything more engaging. It's customized. So the numbers are customized based on the assessments that you made. And then we switch sides to the other side. I think I have the sides backwards here, but you get the point. And we're squeezing. Now it's evening time. We have a nice mixed drink on the countertop there as we're going through this. And I put this on a large screen TV. I have patients go through this. And in the clinic, this is quite exciting for everyone involved. And you can see here we have only 3 more seconds. And 2, 1, and that's the game. Does says excellent. It has the score. It has the max force achieved and the success rate. So that is a really nice way that you could take your training a step further, and it individualizes the entire process.